Hi everyone and welcome back to another CMU Trio Detroit workshop. We hope that you are doing well and have been watching our other videos as well to keep yourselves entertained. And on today's topic, we will give some tips on how your students can get good grades. Many students have the goal of earning good grades, but why is it important for those students to earn those good grades? First and foremost, earning those grades that are good, they show academic growth, they show mastery of a subject, and it helps also for the student to know what they might be lacking in on a certain subject. They also help with getting into college after high school. Something that students will run into high school is cumulative GPA. Cumulative GPA is your grades combined from 9th through 12th grade, and this is something that colleges look at to admit their students or also give them scholarships, which is also known as free money for students to go to school. And if a student has good grades, they will have a higher chance of earning scholarships or free money to go to school. So students, it is important to go over your report card with your parents and your progress reports to see where you can improve on your grades. And another fun thing to know too is that the CMU Trio Detroit program offers services such as attending school conferences, parent-teacher meetings, and can assist the parents in helping the student improve on their grades. This is one of the services that we have for all of our current participants. And with our first step of being on your way to earning better grades is please be prepared. Students, before learning a new lesson, take at least 10 minutes the night before the new lesson is introduced to read over the material such as titles, bolded subjects, and keywords, what they mean. Also focus on pictures, graphics, and their captions. Usually material with graphics or any pictures will be emphasized in the lesson. Once you have done that and it is time to present the new lesson in the classroom, it won't be new to you anymore or be surprising. You will remember some of the material, and it brings us to step 2, which is be present in class. Go to class physically and mentally. Make sure that you are paying attention, also asking questions, or being a volunteer in the classroom is a way to get actively involved. And studies show that students that do this, ask questions or be a volunteer in the class, get a better hold of the material and learning isn't as hard. One of the biggest tips that we can give is step number 3, how to get good grades, home and homework. Students, make sure that you have the materials assigned needed to complete your work, and also make sure that you are doing your assignments on time. Show your work on your problems. Make sure you let the teacher know how you got your answer. Complete all of your questions to get all of your points. And also go over your work, see if you might have anything wrong, and see if you can make any corrections. A test taking tip we have here is if you have a test coming up, study every night leading up to that test, and don't do it all at once. You will remember information more easily if you take it chunks at a time. And with step number 4, please do your best work. That is the best piece of advice that we can also give you. There is no substitute if you put in hard work. It will never betray you, and if you get good grades, you definitely earned it. We hope that you enjoyed this workshop, and please evaluate us. Let us know in our evaluation with the video description. The link is right there, and stay connected with us down below. We hope to see you next week, and thank you. Bye bye.